From the quiet shores of Arorae, where the morning light meets the sea, I never knew my heart was waiting till your name found its way to me. Across the tides of Butaritari, where the palm trees dance so free, every star at night keeps telling me you're the love meant just for me. I've walked these roads in silence, dreams I kept deep inside, but every step feels close and dark, since love no longer hides. Mirina, can you feel my heart tonight? Every beat is calling out your name. From Arorae to Butaritari, my love crosses oceans and remains. If you listen to the wind and sea, you'll hear my heart saying, stay with me. I'm just a peanut, standing humble, with no goal, just love that's true. A heart that learned the meaning of heart the moment it dreamed of you. I won't promise perfect tomorrows, but I swear this much I know: I love you like island shores love waves, always coming back to you. If your heart has known some sorrow, or trust was once unkind, let me be your gentle morning and leave the past behind. Mirina, can you feel my heart tonight? Every prayer I breathe has you inside. From Arorae to Butaritari, my love is patient, strong and right. If love is what you're hoping for, let it start with me tonight. If love is written in the ocean, that our names are in the tide. No distance strong enough to break us, no fear I'll ever hide. I won't rush your heart, my darling. I'll wait until the time is true, because real love doesn't shade so bad. It stays and honors you. Mirina, hear my soul tonight. Every beat is yours, no need to hide. From Arorae to Butaritari, I give my heart with no disguise. If destiny is calling us, let love begin with us. So when the moonlight finds you smiling, and my name crosses your mind, remember there's a man who loves you with a heart that's yours in time.